Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to set up a Zoom meeting and invite others to join. Whether you're planning a meeting for work, school, or catching up with friends, this guide will make it easy for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Scheduling a Zoom meeting. The first thing we'll do is schedule a Zoom meeting. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the Zoom application on your computer or go to the Zoom website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Schedule button. When you click on Schedule, a new window will open where you can customize the details of your meeting. Enter your meeting topic. This could be the purpose of your meeting, like team update or family catch-up. Anything you want. Select the start date and start time for your meeting. Set the duration of the meeting. For this demo, I'm setting it to 30 minutes. Next, decide how you want the meeting link to be generated. I recommend selecting Generate Automatically to create a unique meeting link. Make sure a meeting password is set. This ensures your meeting is secure and only invited participants can join. Step 2. Configuring video and audio options. Set the video to on if you want your video enabled when the meeting starts. For participants, you can keep their video off by default, and they can choose to turn it on after joining. This ensures you have control over how participants join the meeting and reduces distractions at the start. Click on Save to finalize the meeting details. This will automatically save the meeting to your selected calendar, making it easy to track. Step 4. Copying the meeting invitation link. Once the meeting is scheduled, it's time to invite others. Here's how to do it. Go to the Meetings tab in Zoom. Select the meeting you just scheduled, then click on Copy Invitation. When you click Copy Invitation, Zoom generates a pre-written invitation message that includes the meeting link, ID, and password. Simply paste it into a notepad or directly into an email, chat, or messaging app to share with others. And just like that, your participants have everything they need to join your meeting. To quickly recap what we've covered today, if this video helped you set up your Zoom meeting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.